this video, we're going to go over some pre-attack indicators. It's a street altercation, looks like South Korea, between a woman and two gentlemen. Appear to be streamers of some sort. This third party enters the fray, takes a look around, does an inspection, repositions himself on the sidelines. Conflict continues. This other gentleman is trying to de-escalate it. Okay, third party is grooming himself. You can see he's positioning his hands in a high ready position, clasping his hands. Now you'll see him slowly moving, closing distance on the two targets. I think it's the target glance 1, target glance. Next will be another target glance. And strike.